Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here, co-founder of MDC Trading Academy, with today's pre-market forecast for Monday, November 23rd. We're also previewing the very short Thanksgiving week. Let's begin with our news items of this week, as we normally do. Let's jump right in here. And we have, again, very short week. We have today starting off with our flash manufacturing 945, consumer confidence on Tuesday. Wednesday, we have prelim, revised consumer UOM, and we also have the FOMC minutes. No bombshells expected from here. We're expecting the markets, the Federal Reserve, to continue its policy of keeping interest rates exactly where they are for quite some time. Let's jump quickly to our analysis. Let's look what the markets have been doing recently, and we're expecting, obviously, on today's and this week's run. As you can see, market from the October 30th bottom, where it came and it created this double bottom. We have the huge post-election rally, including this high here, which was due to information regarding the vaccines from Pfizer. Market retraces completely. More information the following Monday, followed by another rally based on the information coming from another other companies that are pharmaceuticals, Moderna this time, and 95% effective on their particular vaccine, and a 30-day lifespan in reference to refrigerating the vaccine. Very good. But since then, the market has been pulling back. Again, more uncertainty regarding the election as the Trump administration continues to ramp up the lawsuits, so on and so forth. So that's still up in the air. The continual rise in COVID cases, and many counties and cities beginning another shutdown, which is affecting the economy. Market, of course, the volume has been receding just a bit, but it's still very good at 1.3. Our ATR has also come down. Our range is down to 67, but it's still pretty tradable market. So like I said, here is our double top. Here's the market breaking above it. Here is the market coming to retest this as support and also creating a small banner. Now, what does that mean for us going forward through the short, mid, and long term? Now, as we come into this period here, we can see we're basically a clear compression, which is a real clear indication of the market not having direction. Compressions actually means balance. Market is not sure what it's doing, so you see a lot of buying and selling accumulating between these areas. And obviously the healthiest thing for this market is, again, to continue to the upside or to break down and retest this area here. Remember, we talked about earlier last week, we talked about what happens now. And of course, are we going to test all-time high again? We're going to return to the support level, or are we going to move sideways? Well, the market did move sideways for a while there until eventually came to retest this former resistance area as support. Trying to hold there, and that's where we find ourselves. So we find ourselves within this particular context. So that's what we have for today. Basically, what is the market going to do when it retests these areas here? Is it going to break? Is it going to hold? Or is it going to break? Final test to support here before it moves way down. Or is the market going to have enough strength to come retest this particular resistance area here and potentially move higher? Let's look at our analysis chart here. This is the chart that's closest to our time frame as we trade. And what can we see? Again, market in compression, retesting the intraday high of Friday. See how the market came below the intraday low, could not hold support there, broke clearly above it, couldn't hold resistance there either, breaks clearly above, comes, retraces, bounces up to the intraday high that was established on Friday, right here, early Friday. Market is bouncing off there, and there's your ascending triangle. As long as the market remains above this line here, we're expecting the market to attempt more continuation to the upside. Market breaks clearly below here. We can expect a lot of movement to the downside this morning. It may not be quick, but it can be steady to come and retest this area here. So be careful today. Remember, we may be expecting some sort of rally, maybe towards either late today or beginning tomorrow. Normally Thanksgiving, we have one of those nice rallies. But other than that, it's going to be a very short week. Drying, you're going to start seeing volume dry up as the week progresses. So if whatever you're going to do, try to do it early and try to enjoy the holiday. Take care, and we'll see you next time.